What's up, you guys? I stay over here in Wahiawa at Two Moms Kitchen. They cater food too, about 621-3545. Said hut, 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 hut. They're still nearby the Sawara store. Boom. So I'm going to try the spicy barbecue chicken and the meat jun combo.
Thank you so much.
And thank you. Oh, there it is, the meat jun and spicy barbecue chicken. Yeah, I'm going to try the meat jun feels soft already, even with the chopsticks. I'm going to try them without the sauce. That is on real good meat jun. Try the spicy barbecue chicken. Combo. Smoking spicy. It's spicy, not unbearable. Tasty, the meat jun good. I'm glad I would stop over here, but the grinds over here is mean.